Another one that's on sale. Buy one get one free for the DeWalt. Really good deal. Buy one get one free. We got 25 things you should be buying at the Labor Day sale loves. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Alright, to start here, we got a pressure washer 139. This is a 1900 PSI from Craftsman. Regular price 179. We got $229 for this combo. This is a blower string trimmer combo with battery and charger. Very complete kit, ready to rock and roll basically. Alright, so this is a $299 from $329 for the 765 CFM brushless leaf blower for the Eagle. Now this one does include a 5 amp hour battery and charger, and 765, that's a lot. That's a lot. You're not gonna get the runtime, but on that one you're gonna get, fairly decent runtime for the yard. And here's the string trimmer and blower again. 520 CFM, still pretty decent. It's pretty good. And deals run to September 4, 24. All these deals. Alright, that's the string trimmer there on the left and the blower combo. Alright, so they got some more Labor Day here for the paint department. They got a kit here for $14.98, pretty much a six-piece kit, wall ceilings and all that. You got some tape there for $7.98. You got some caulking there for $4.98, and then some drywall pudding. And all right, buy one get one free for all the paint. Sherwin-Williams, Infinity. So all those paints do qualify for that. $17.98 for the gloves. You got the Venom Steel. You got resistant and tough grip. You got the Flex Seal. All these are on sale, $5.98. Any of those, fix all the leaks. You got the 3M 4-pack for painting protection. $29.98 for the collapsible lawn and garden dispenser there. And then you got a pole saw for $229. Chainsaw for $249. This is 14-inch, 40 volts. These are all kits, guys. They do come with chargers and batteries and stuff like that inside. Same thing with this blower, $169. It is the 520 CFM. Alright, this one's a really nice box that's on sale, $398. That's one down for $498. It is a 46-inch 9-drawer. It's a really nice solid wood top. Self-closing drawers. Beautiful box. Nice deep drawers on the bottom. Yeah, pretty nice. Alright, they still got the buy one get one free for this. You buy any of the tools, get a 2 amp hour battery starter kit. It's pretty much like a carry-on over for these Labor Day deals, for the buy one, the BOGO deals. This is the BOGO kit you're going to get for free with the purchase of any of these tools. You got the ratchet there, angle grinder. $29.98 for the 30-piece quarter-inch, 3-inch drive mechanics tool set. Not bad for a little mechanics tool set, maybe for a car. Carried on the back of the car. $29.98 for the household kits. This is actually a pretty nice kit for the price. It does include pretty much all the basics. Pliers, hammer. Alright, so buy one, get one free. You buy any of the nailers, get a free triple hammer impact driver. It's already in the box. You got a coil sliding nailer there. That is the impact driver kit you're going to get for free. Already inside the box, $369 for that. Buy one, get one free for the Craftsman. Yes, you buy any of the tools, get a free starter kit with the 4 amp hour battery. These are all brushless tools. Definitely recommend these tools, especially the angle grinder oscillating tool. Those have all DeWalt DNA. You guys know Craftsman does sister company to DeWalt, and they're owned by Stanley Black & Decker, if you guys didn't know. I got the oscillating tool, circular saw, router, impact wrenches. And that is the battery starter kit you're going to get for free. Pretty good deal. Same thing with DeWalt. Yeah, it's a carry-on over. $169 for impact driver or drill driver. You do come with power stacks batteries. $279 for a hammer drill and impact. $379 for the 4-tool combo kit. So, and same thing with the buy one get one free for the DeWalts. Yes, you buy any of the tools, get a free 5 amp hour power stack battery, which is with the newer. You can choose from the ratchet, the cutoff tool, reciprocating saw, the planer, the rocket light or the tower light, you want to call it, belt sander, and then you got the bandsaw, impact wrench, miter saw. Wow, that's a nice tool there. Got the miter saw, circular saw, hammer drill. There's just a whole bunch of tools you guys could choose from in that big light there. That is the SD or the, yeah, it looks like a reciprocating saw, and then you got the ratchet. It's on clearance. You might be able to get away with that free battery for the $62 if you're smart enough and talk to the manager and try to get it. That is the battery, 5 ampere battery at valued at $199. These are pretty good deals. And talking about another good deal, this is 1.5 cordless stapler, $169 down from $219. Is a narrow crown stapler from the Metabo. You got some more clearance here for this is the sander, $49 down from $89. Pretty solid deal. And then you got this oscillating tool, $49 down from $99. And then you got this impact wrench, $49. This one's down from $99. So a whole bunch of more on clearance. I'm not going to go over all of them because we're running out of time here. But you got a circular saw there, $59. All right, $219 for this Cobalt 10-inch, 15 amp, 120 volt table saw. It's on sale for the Labor Day weekend, the Labor Day week, basically. All right, here's another one down to $229. It's a new lower price or limited time only, 100 piece. But if you want to compare it to this one's actually on sale for $99, guys. Down from $179. I think this one's a really, really good deal. Definitely check that one out. Half an inch drive SVC. This was $79 down from $104. It is a 33 piece. And then this one's on sale, guys. This was a ratcheting wrench at 20 piece. $69 down from $99. But check this out. The sale price is $59.98. Definitely check it out. That is a doorbuster or whatever you want to call it. Those are actually pretty dang good deals. $19.98 for the 18-piece screwdriver set, that valued at $29.98. You do got some offset screwdrivers. They are unmarked. And you do got some precision screwdrivers labeled in color. And then here to the left, you got a 5-piece plier set for $19.98. Pretty nice. You got all sorts of cutting, diagonal, channel locks, or, you know, a groove joint style. For $12.78 for this 40 feet 16 gauge outdoor extension cord. I was just going by here, saw this thing, but wasn't looking for anything. But hey, if it's on sale, why not? And if you need it. All right, another one that's on sale. This one's the Klein Tools. These are $26.98, your choice here. This is the 3-piece adjustable wrenches from the Klein Tools. It's actually a pretty dang good deal, especially for that $39 price. $39.98 price. I wouldn't pay that. Definitely not pay that. Same thing with this one. Same price, guys. This is your choice here. You can take both of them or one. This one's the 11-in-1 screwdriver nut driver set. This one's actually pretty good. Does include a lot of bits and pieces in there. Valued at $39.98 as well. And then here's another one. Here's a fire pit. Now that the winter season is around the corner. $69 down from $109, so 31.5 inch. Here's a grill. This is a really nice grill. It is a charcoal grill. It is a really nice heavy duty. It does have temperature gauge, 49 or $4.99 down from $5.49. $50 off on this one. It does seem, yeah, disregard the tag. That's a different tag. But yeah, it seems like really good quality. I really like the weight it has to it. $39.98 for this ice chest. If you need an expensive wheeled ice chest, there you go. Or a more inexpensive charcoal grill. $54.98. I personally do have this one. I keep it on my just as a spare. And $19.98 for this chair. Pretty dang good deals on these, guys. Definitely check these out. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And yeah, there's a clearance on these EV chargers. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good one.